Today we're going to take a look at DEWALT's bare tool DCF 898 Impact. This can actually drill holes using an auger bit or a Forstner bit. This is a 2.5 inch. This is a 7/8. We've got a big ring here that we can hook a lanyard onto this so it won't fall out if we're using this on a bucket. We've also got 3 modes of speed on the front and an LED light. This tool has up to 500 foot-pounds of torque, which makes it DEWALT's largest and most heavy-duty impact that they have. It's weighing in just around 7 pounds. This is also the brushless model, so you know it's going to last a long time. It's not going to overheat, and it's going to keep performing perfectly for you. Keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.